Hi, I'm Pete from Thunder. Today we're going to take a look at what's in the box of your new Thunder switch mirror. This accessory is a must-have for any four-wheel drive passenger vehicle requiring additional accessories such as driving lights, work lights, or a fridge, and doesn't have factory-fitted blanks to allow switches to be installed neatly or easily. As soon as you open the box, you'll find an instruction manual filled with handy product information and installation advice. This can also be found on the Thunder website. The kit includes 24 different accessory labels to suit common 12-volt applications, so you can easily identify the inputs. The touch switch mirror allows you to connect to control up to 8 different accessories while monitoring up to 2 battery outputs. At the top of the screen you'll see 2 icons. This is where you can monitor your 2 batteries. The slim profile design is capable of fitting over existing rearview mirrors with ease. In the box you'll find a 3-meter cable so you can safely install the control box out of the way. The most common area for installation is under the dash. The control box allows you to connect up to 8 different accessories you can mount using screws or some quality 3M tape. The Thunder touch switch mirror comes pre-wired with 4 separate wires, and each of these wires have separate functions and are identified in the instruction manual provided. For more information about the touch switch mirror or to explore the full range of accessories, visit thunderauto.com.au.